the government is, it is not only about asking and answer. Let us
Halor ka jingkali balabu daw MLA ka umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdo Siapang katno ka jingla ki surok bankit ya ka jingkia u Deputy CM u MLA ka Pynursla ba Prestone Tynsong u la ai ki jubab bam ya hab ber ka jingkali para ba pha pensyai shu u tei u minister nu la jubab I require notice hadin kata u VPP MLA na mauran kenang u ba Havingstone u la kali siapang ka surok ha constituency jumu utei u minister u badai u deputy CM u jubab biang da ka boong I require notice bat kane ka pensam Rkhie ki MLA ka VPP pat kiwe de.
The question is, what is the load-bearing capacity? I have given time to the minister, at least he can get information from the ministers. What is the load-bearing capacity? I didn't get that answer till now.
Okay, sir. Sir, I require notice for that, sir. I require notice for that.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Gludi Road, I want to know that this Jarak Road, under my constituency, falls under which scheme, sir? Jarak Road. Jarak.
Come again, please.
I want to know whether this Jarak Road under my constituency falls under which scheme, sir? Whether PMGSY or some other scheme?
Sir, that particular supplementary, I don't have the ready-made reply right now, so I require notice for that, sir.